I, Afam Josiah Osigwe,
Do solemnly
Afam
swear and
Osigwe,
affirm
a senior advocate of Nigeria, is the 32nd president of the Nigerian Bar Association (NBA). He is assuming office at a crucial moment in the Nigerian judiciary when public confidence is at a record low. Osigwe has taken over from Yakubu Mekiao. Legal practitioners are a key part of the justice sector. They are the main players in the judicial system, and their actions or inaction determine the state of play. For starters, the all too familiar problem of conflicting judgments being a huge source of concern, the new NBA leadership should work with the leadership of the judiciary to begin the process of setting things aright.
Lawyers are the one taking the case to this court and getting these conflicting judgments. Afam Osigwe SAN is my hope. We'll be able to navigate as for what is the interest of lawyers in terms of their personal rewards for their professional advice and services and the public interest. What should be happening? Can we continue like this? No, we can't. We can't be getting judgment like we are going to market. You buy your own yam from Wuse Market, I buy my own from Mutako. No, we can't continue like that.
NJC disciplines the judges who sit over a matter and give sometimes interim injunctions. But there's someone who filed a case. A lawyer filed a case in the inappropriate place. What is the rationale for filing a case in Kano on a matter that originated from, maybe let's say, Edo? And the judge will sit down over that matter. If the NJC disciplines such a judge, then the lawyers who filed the case should not be spared.
Then there is the issue of discipline.
Lawyers taking money from their clients and not doing exactly what they promised their client they will do. In the States, that's what they call malpractice. And you can be sued, you can pay heavy fine, you can even be derobed, they can take away your license. So Afam Osigwe should bring, he's a disciplined lawyer. Everybody knows. So he should come to this bar, this new season of the bar, and make a difference.
Discipline is a very key factor in this equation. And I would say that the discipline is not only with regards to the bar, but there also has to be discipline for the bench as well. And you know, the new NBA administration is coming in at the same time, or almost, you know, at the same time as a new Chief Justice of Nigeria, or acting Chief Justice of Nigeria was sworn in. So there definitely is need for us to critically look at the sector in order to ensure that there's confidence, to restore public confidence in the administration of justice sector.
When our profession start taking us seriously, clients would of course take us seriously. Remuneration should be implemented right from the inside. If a law firm you cannot pay for the services of a lawyer, then there is no point. Be a solo legal practitioner. This is not me saying law firms don't face, you know, financial hardship. They don't have their own shortcomings as well. But I mean, engaging someone and paying the person the barest minimum, less than the minimum wage, doesn't make sense.
The Yakubu Mekiao era as NBA president was marked by bitter divisions within the association, with a group of lawyers wanting out following disagreement with his style of leadership. There is the issue of the Law Society, a rival to the NBA, that has cropped up. It is a subject of litigation. The task of unifying the NBA should therefore be a top priority in the immediate term.
Everybody is hopeful because he has followership. He has the goodwill of the bar. Majority of people voted for him. Those who voted that day voted for Afam Osigwe. So if they voted for him, because they believe in him. So we are hoping that he will use his extensive knowledge of the bar, both at the national and the sub-national, to foster unity.
We are always stronger together. And from a point of view of unity and of strength, the NBA is the only association that can actually do what it does as effectively as, you know, the country needs it to. You know, and so I would say that the president, the NBA president, Mr. Afam Osigwe, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, and life bencher, has a huge task on his hands to reunite all the members of the bar.
You have to look at the bigger picture. NBA is bigger than anybody's interest. That's just it. It is bigger than my interest. I'm the vice chairman of my branch, but when it comes to, you know, the branch, I put my interest aside and ensure that just for the branch to move forward. So we need, you know, things that will move us forward.
These matters are in court. And I'm also representing a party in one of the matters. So I won't comment on it. But of course, Alpha Mosigwe is coming as a time that you need to unify the bar. Both those that are aggrieved with the NBA and those that are happy with the NBA. He is the president of NBA, so he has a lot in his hand to do.
Alpha Mosigwe has hit the ground running as the new president of the NBA. With his work well cut out, a fresh page of history has been handed to him, and the task of writing what he should be remembered for rests with him. Godfrey Eshamuge, Arise News.